Hey coffee lovers, I'm Erica, and today I'm super excited to dive into the Gaggia Cadorna Prestige Super Automatic Espresso Machine. This is honestly one of my favorites. If you're dreaming of cafe-quality espresso at home, stick around because this machine might just steal your heart. Let's break it down and see if it's the right fit for you. First, let's talk about what makes the Gaggia Cadorna Prestige stand out. This super automatic machine is like having a barista in your kitchen. It's got a full color display that's easy to navigate, letting you pick from 14 different drinks: espresso, cappuccino, latte, you name it. You can customize everything from coffee strength to milk foam and save up to 4 user profiles for your perfect cup every time. The built-in ceramic burr grinder ensures fresh grounds for every shot, and the auto-frothing system makes creamy milk drinks a breeze. Plus, it's got a sleek modern design that looks great on any countertop. Now let's get into the pros. The espresso quality is fantastic, rich, bold, and topped with a gorgeous crema that rivals high-end coffee shops. The interface is intuitive, so even if you're new to espresso machines, you'll feel like a pro in no time. It's also fairly easy to clean, with helpful videos from Gaggia to guide you. And the ability to save personalized drink settings? That's a game changer for households with multiple coffee drinkers. But no machine is perfect, so let's talk cons. Some users mention it uses a lot of water for its cleaning cycle, which means emptying the drip tray more often than you might expect. There have also been a few reports of parts breaking after months of use, so durability could be a concern for heavy users. And if you want milk-based drinks, you have to use the froth option, which might feel limiting for some. So, who's this machine for? If you love experimenting with coffee, want barista-level results, and don't mind a bit of maintenance, the Gaggia Cadorna Prestige is a fantastic choice. It delivers premium espresso and milk drinks without breaking the bank, making it a solid investment for coffee enthusiasts. While it's not flawless, the pros outweigh the cons for most home baristas. Ready to elevate your coffee game? Check out the Gaggia Cadorna Prestige on Amazon using the link in the description below. You'll find the best pricing and any special promotions we've got going on at Rick's Review Hub. If you enjoyed this review, please hit that like button, share with your fellow coffee lovers, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.